Good morning, everyone. Today, in chapter number 10, that is force, work, and energy, we are going to start about the types of simple machines. Yesterday, I have told you that simple machines simply these are tools that makes our work easier, and they also help us to do work faster and with less effort. They also change the direction of force used, and they do work with less effort. And some of the examples of simple pulleys are the lever, the pulley, the wheel and axle, the inclined plane, the screw, and the wedge. So today we will discuss about these first four types of simple machines. So first I am starting with the lever. So first of all, this topic it is given on your page number 84 of your EVS book. When you will open page number 84 of your EVS book, this they have written about the lever. So basically, what is an lever? First of all, we will see that what is written in the books, that a lever is used to lift weight, cut things, and open lids. Scissors and bottle openers are examples of levers. A small child lift up heavier child on a seesaw, which is also a type of lever. So they are saying that lever is used for various kind of process that we are doing in our daily life. The processes include that, in short, what we can say that particularly a lever is a long sturdy body that rests on some supports. It is a long body which always rests on some support to perform some particular function. Now what they have given, that it is used, it is only written in the book that it is used to lift weight. For example, wheelbarrow. If you will see the wheelbarrow picture, it is used for the lift weight. See, this is the picture of wheelbarrow, and this is used by the construction workers to lift the weight, to transfer the particular thing from one place to another. So this is an example of wheelbarrow. Now coming to the second thing which is written, it is used to cut things. And how the things can be cut? For example, this is an scissor. With the help of scissor, scissor is used for the cutting of things. Now third is to open the lids, and to open lids what we use? Bottle opener. So this is an example of bottle opener. So this is an example of bottle opener which is used to open the lids of bottles. Now, there are many other examples written of lever like hammer, nutcracker, tweezers, ice tongs, pliers. These all are examples of lever. So, lever is simply which is one simple machine which makes our work easier. So, I will show you some examples of lever again. See here, this is an plier. So, plier is also an example of lever. This is an hammer. Hammer is also an example of lever. This is an wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow is also an lever. This ice tongs. This is also an example of lever. Bottle opener. This is also an example of lever. This nutcracker. It is also an example of lever. And these tweezers, they are also included in the lever, and this scissor. So all these things are the examples of lever. Now coming to the second type of simple machine. Second type of simple machine, it is written in your book that pulley. So what is a pulley? Pulley is made from a wheel and a rope. It is used to lift things easily. Villagers use pulleys to draw water from well. So what is a pulley? Simply it is a It is made from wheel and a rope, means a combination of wheel and a rope. It leads to the formation of pulley. So in simple words, what we can write the definition of pulley, that a pulley is a small wheel with a groove around its edge, and on the groove of its outer edge we can wrap the rope to do the functions, and it is used to lift things easily. Now there are many examples of pulley that you can see around, and I will show you with the pictures now. So first of all, the main thing is that first is that villagers use pulley to draw water from wells. So if you have seen well, for the wells, if we want to draw water from the well, what we use the arrangement of the pulley. So this I will show you with the help of an picture also. See this picture, what is shown in this picture? This is a person which is drawing water from the well. So what is showing that where is pulley here? This is the pulley. It is a small wheel around which rope is there, and this rope is used to draw water from the well. So this is an example of pulley. Now I will show you one more example of pulley. This is here. Whenever the flag is hosted during the Independence Day, during Republic Day, it is always wrapped. The flowers are wrapped in the flag cloth. So to open the flag cloth, what is used? There is pulley is there which is used for the opening of flowers during the Independence Day or the Republic Day, or during the hosting of the flag. Now next I will show you some more, that pulley is also used for the lifting of load. For example, this is effort, this is load. So here this is a pulley. So with the help of pulley you can easily lift the load also, any kind of weight. And this is also an example of pulley. In this way the pulley pins are there. This is also some of the examples of pulley, and this is also an example of pulley. So basically pulleys, what is example, this is I have written that villagers use pulley to draw water. Pulley is also used for the hosting of flag, and pulley is used to lift heavy objects also. So this is all regarding pulley and the lever. Thank you and have a nice day.